In this video I'm going to be doing a review of the Papermate Clear Point pencils. These pencils are a pretty popular item at some schools. They have a lot of clear plastic so you can see inside. However, they do have some downsides of their clips break pretty easy. Sometimes kids break them on purpose, but as you can see there's a broken one. Here's another broken one, and they can get cracks and the caps can become loose. But they're a pretty popular pencil, and for the design they have a button right here for advancing the lead. They have a clear point or tip down here. They have a little bit of grip and clear plastic up here. A translucent cap. That's where you put your lead in. You can replace the eraser pretty easy, which is nice, and they're long erasers. You can undo this and see the mechanism better. But let's try these pencils out. These pencils come in 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9 millimeter leads. You can put, depending on what it says, you can have 0.5, 0.7, or 0.9. 0.5 is the smallest, so you get the finer lines, but you risk breaking more lead. And then there's the 0.7, which is in between and width, and it doesn't break as easy as 0.5, but may break easier than the 0.9. And then the 0.9 is your widest and least breakable. The durability of these pencils, however, are not the best as they should be. For instance, this pencil has cracked right here, and somehow the clip has broken. Now, kids break these sometimes, so that's because of what happened with this guy. But they break pretty easy compared to some. As you can see, I have another broken clip. This one has actually been taped for some reason. Maybe a crack in it or something. Yeah, there's a crack. This piece must have actually broken off. Another broken clip. But if you treat your pencils right, you should be able to use this pencil for a while, as long as you're careful with it. And these pencils have been kind of popular over the years. You'd see them in a lot of schools. Maybe it's because of a lot of the clear plastic and translucency. But overall, popular pencil, not so good on the durability side. But if you're careful with it, it probably will last for a while. These pencils can be found at Walmart and other stores for probably around $5. They also have a cousin named the Clear Point Elite. As you can see, it has more chrome, more grip, and it's more smooth and rounded. But these are more expensive, but they're also more durable. But like I said, you can buy these quite a few places, and are often used by kids, but the durability is not as great as the clear point elite, like I said, but just be careful with it, and it may last you quite a while. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks.